Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy coming to you from our garden at Casa de Bowdy. Today is day 18 of 19 days of gratitude leading up to my birthday, and I'm concentrating my gratitude today on my home, Casa de Bowdy. I thank you all for sharing in these 19 days of gratitude. Today's my last day in my 40s. The shelter at home time has not been all that easy, but I'm just grateful for my home, that we found this lovely home. It took us a long time to find it, and I'm glad we did. It's a Mediterranean style single level courtyard in the middle. Just has some unique features that we just both fell in love with, and I'm so grateful we found it, and that I've had this shelter during these days and everything during these shelter at home times. So what are you grateful for about with your home? I'd love to know in the comments, and I hope you're having an extra special happy day. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy coming to you from our garden at Casa de Bowdy. Have a happy day.